In primetime news this evening, staggered school hours, Education Minister proposes shift system as part of the response to COVID-19 when school reopened. A sector in shambles, JTA slams Education Ministry over CXC exam timetable. Still in the hot seat, the CMU faces parliamentary committee about lunch contracts.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Business Day, Primetime Sports Commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening, what are your thoughts on suggestions that school may have to return to the shift system?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.